Hey, welcome to my channel. Today's video is about how to replace and install a new crystal in your pocket watch. Suppose you have a pocket watch that the crystal fell out, or you have one that's damaged, that's all scratched up and you can't read the numbers really well, or it's one of those old plastic crystals that they used to put in them. Well, I'm going to go through the steps and show you how to do that. It's really easy. You just need a few tools. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is unscrew the bezel off the front of your watch. That's the ring that is the front that has the crystal in it. So you unscrew that. And the next thing we want to do is clean out the lip where the old crystal was glued in. Now I use these little sticks that I get that are used for fingernails. They're cuticle pushers. You can get them on Amazon. I buy them by the 100 on Amazon. But they work really well. They don't damage the metal or the finish of the crystal. So you just take the point of it and go around the edge where the old crystal was glued in and remove all that glue. Now the reason you want to remove all that glue is because you're going to measure the opening, and if that glue's in the way, it's going to throw off your measurement. The next thing you need is a digital caliper. Now all your measurements are going to be in millimeters. And what you want to do is take your bezel that you've cleaned all the glue off of, and you're going to measure in about three to four different spots on the bezel. The reason you do this is sometimes the bezel is out of round, and you want to take your smallest measurement, and that's the size that you're going to use for your sizing of your crystal. Now once you get those measurements, you're going to have to buy your crystal. So I usually go on eBay and buy my crystals from, there's one person that I use, and I'll put a link at the bottom of the page. He makes his own crystals. They're really good, clear crystals. To me, they're top notch. So that's those are the crystals that I use. Also, if you don't feel comfortable in doing this yourself, he also will install them for you for a price. You don't have to mail the whole watch to him. You just mail the bezel part and he'll install it for you. So now we've ordered our crystal. We waited, and the day it finally came, and now we're going to take it out and we're going to dry fit it to see how it fits in there. It looks like it fits perfectly. This crystal that I ordered is 2 millimeter thick, because this is a railroad watch, and the railroad watches had thick crystals. So I'm going to be cementing this in, and I use this cement, GS Hypo cement. It's really good for crystals. It dries clear, and it doesn't turn colors or anything over the time, and it's really good stuff. I've never had any problems with it. And so we're going to be gluing in our crystal. And again, you can purchase this cement on Amazon. I'll put a link down at the bottom where so you can order it. Okay, let's get ready to cement in our crystal. Now this cement has a really fine tip applicator to it, which makes it really easy to put the cement around the rim of the bezel. So you don't want to put just a small amount of the cement all the way around. You don't want to put too much, because if you do, it'll leak out and make a mess. when we don't want to mess. So you go all the way around, put your cement in there, clean off your applicator, and put the lid back on it so it doesn't dry out. And now we want to fit our crystal into the bezel that we've put our glue in, and it just pops right in there. Now the glue, the cement says to let it cure for about 20 hours, but you can let it set for about 20 minutes. It sets up pretty fast. So there we have it. That was pretty easy. Anybody could do this. So it's that's a nice looking crystal. So sometimes a little bit of the glue will ooze out around the edges, so you can take that piece of cuticle pusher, that little wood, and go around the edge and clean it up. It comes off pretty good. So there we have it, a nice clear shiny crystal on a nice railroad Elgin pocket watch. Now, this pocket watch was made in 1914. It's a Elgin Railroad grade BW Raymond, and it has 19 jewels, and it's a size 16. So I hope you enjoyed this and learned how to install your own crystal. It's pretty easy. And if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and also like it. And I appreciate you taking the time to watch my video.